Yo, hello guys, and welcome back again to another video. In today's tutorial, I will be showing you how you can change your ID or how you can actually reset it. So, first of all guys, each time you download Teamviewer, they will give you an ID. And that ID is the thing that you can give it to the other guy or the other partner uh, to be able to join your PC and to start doing whatever he wants on your PC. So some of you guys gave that ID to some people and now they regret it or stuff like that, and they really want to change it. And if you can right here, there is no like such a thing like removing or resetting your ID. So basically guys, what I'm suggesting to you for you to do is, one is recreating a new account, two is get a pro license or a premium license that will allow you also to change your ID. 3, which is basically guys just desinstalling the program. So yeah guys, so if you like, for example, even though if you went like if you logged off your account, for example, let's log out or sign out of my account, I will still have the same ID even though I'm not signed in. So the only way to change it, as I said, is by changing your account. So basically just changing your whole account, creating your account, and then it will be good, or getting a premium license, or by disinstalling this program and then reinstalling it. Sometimes it will not work for you and sometimes it will. So it depends on the version that you have of the Teamviewer, so make sure you have the latest one. It's easy to get it, just go to teamviewer.com and then download it from there and it will be good for you to go. Of course you can check from here if there is any updates also. So for me, I'm not having the latest update, so I can click here and update it on the latest version. And yeah guys, that was it. That's how you can actually reset your ID in Teamviewer. So thank you a lot for watching and see you in the next tutorial.